Students, today we are going to perform the experiment of micrometer screw, which is a measuring instrument which is more accurate as compared to the scale as well as micrometer screw, right? So today we are going to measure the thickness of this key by using this micrometer screw, right? So let us start the experimental part of micrometer screw. Now we are going to understand about the different parts of the micrometer screw. So the first part which is shown over here is the main scale. So this portion is main scale of micrometer screw, on which 0, 5, 10 different scales has been denoted. Then this is the circular scale of the micrometer screw. Then this portion is known as spindle. This small portion on this side is known as anvil. This is the locking screw and this is known as ratchet. So these are the different parts of the micrometer screw. Now we are going to understand about the working of the micrometer screw. Let's understand about the working of the micrometer screw, in which we are first going to discuss about the least count of micrometer screw. So the equation for the least count of micrometer screw is pitch upon total division on the circular scale. Now what is pitch? Pitch means the value of the smallest division on main scale. So let us understand. So if you are able to see, this is the main scale, right? So this is the main scale on which there is the first digit is 0 and the second digit is 5, and in between 0 and 5 there are total 10 divisions. So the value of the one smallest division on the main scale is 0.5. So what will be the value of the pitch? So it is 0.5 divided by total division on the circular scale. So if you are able to see, this is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and up to 45 and again 5 divisions. That means total number of divisions on the circular scale are 50. So 0.5 divided by 50, which will give you the value 0.01 millimeter. Here the main scale is in millimeter, so the LCM will be in millimeter. So the value of this micrometer, so the value of the least count for this micrometer screw is 0.01 millimeter. Now this is the LCM. Now we are going to discuss about how we can measure the thickness of this key. So we are going to measure the thickness of this key. For that we are going to first fix this key in micrometer screw. So let us fix the key in micrometer screw. So we have fixed this key, right? Now we are going to measure the thickness of this key, right? So first of all, we are going to measure the main scale reading. We are going to note down the main scale reading. So if you are able to see, so the value on the main scale is, we are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 division. So the value of the one division is 0.5, so it will be 2. So what will be the main scale reading? It is 2 millimeter. So you are able to see clearly over here that the main scale reading is 2 millimeter. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to note down the reading on the circular scale. So for that what you need to do is, which of the division on the circular scale is matching with this vertical central line, right? So this is the central line. So which of the division on the circular scale is going to match with central line, that is known as the circular scale reading. So if you are able to see here, the 37th division, so this is 35, then second is 36 and 37. So the 37th division on the circular scale is matching with the vertical line, that is central line. So what is the circular scale reading? It is 37. So here we are counting the number of divisions on the circular scale, so it does not have any unit, right? Now the second step is, now we are going to multiply this B, that is circular scale, with the least count. So we are going to do that 37 multiplied by least count. So it will be 0.37 millimeter. Right, now the total thickness of this key is main scale, that is A, plus this C. So the total thickness is, or D is equals to A plus C. So it is 2 plus 0.37, which is nothing but 2.37 millimeters. So the thickness of this key is 2.37. This is how we can measure various dimensions of the object with accuracy of 2 decimal point by using micrometer screw.